Exciting news! We are bringing you brand new AI tutorial videos on the ASARE Graphic YouTube channel. Get ready to dive into the world of AI-powered designs, automation, and creative like never before. Learn how to use AI tools for graphic designs. Master AI-driven editing techniques. Explore the future of digital creativity. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tutorials will help you unlock the full potential of AI in design. Stay tuned and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. First video drops soon. Hit the subscribe bell and get ready to transform your creative process.